I cannot believe how beautiful this color is. Can you guess from what I'm wearing what color my new Birkin is? Hi my loves, welcome back. So this is part one of what I got for my birthday, and as you can see from the title, it is a Birkin. And this Birkin deserves an unboxing of its own because it is that gorgeous. Well, to me anyway. I'll also be doing a part two, but this is something that I bought for myself and I cannot believe the timing. So I got this before we went to Hawaii, and yes, there is a Hawaii haul as well. So I've been thoroughly spoilt for my birthday. And you know what? You can spoil yourself for your own birthday as well. So celebrating the whole month. And I also have some accessories to show you as well. So let's get started with the very first unboxing. Okay, let's start off with this box. Yes, everyone knows what this box is by now. And this, I am so excited to get. It's very, very hard to get. And you'll know why when I show you the combo. Dun, dun, dun! Yes, another little rodeo to add to my stable. But what makes this one so special is, look, its saddle is in lizard. Now, I just need to get a bag in lizard. But how cute is this? So the main body is in sesame, which is a gorgeous neutral. And the little tail and mane is in cray. And how gorgeous is this combo? It is going to go so well with all my neutral colored Hermes bags. And let me tell you how much this cost. So this was 1,020 Australian dollars. Yes, even though it's my birthday, you guys love it when I reveal prices, so I will continue to do that. This one is more pricey because it does have the lizard saddle. So that's the very first item. Okay, next is this box here. So this was just the side tees for the rodeo because it's got exotic leather. So Hermes always gives you that. But anyway, in here is a limited edition piece, and they don't make that many of them. So seriously, I was very lucky to get all of these, and I thought this was so cute. So in this dust bag, I got, ta-da! So this is actually Mon Petite Kelly pendant. So it is actually a necklace. And they only got one of each colorway. So I love this one because I have so much gold in my collection. How cute would that look on my Kelly bags, on my Kelly dance? I just love that it's so limited, and it comes in two sizes, this size and a smaller size. So it's just a mixture of leathers. And this one is 960 Australian dollars. So it came in a variety of colors, but this one just kind of stole my heart. Plus, I think that it will go with heaps of my bags. So before I show you my new Birkin, I'm so excited to show you my new bracelet stack. So I will do close-ups, but how beautiful are these two bracelets? They are in solid 14 karat gold, and look at the sparkle on the diamonds. And you're probably thinking, Mel, that's really pretty, but why are you so excited about it? And the reason is, this is the first I've heard anyway, of any company doing modular bracelets. So I'm so excited to let you know that this is a MIM exclusive. I don't even know if they're gonna do these bracelets later on, but these bracelets are from IDYL. I've mentioned IDYL a couple of times now. I'm actually wearing their earrings. I've been obsessed with their earrings. Their whole concept is about modularity. So for example, like the earrings, you start off with a diamond stud as the base piece, and then you can buy different add-ons. Same with the necklace, you start off with a chain, and then sometimes the pendant can be an earring, and so forth. I just love that you can wear it so many different ways. It's versatile. You can wear it every day. You don't have to take it off. But now they've come up with a new concept with bracelets. So when they told me about this and how they are only going to launch it just for their community and the MIM community, I was like, oh my goodness. So let me tell you about it and what makes this so special. So all their bracelets are made of 14 karat gold, and it's purposely in 14 karat gold because you can wear it every day. You don't need to take it off. And these diamonds are actually lab-grown diamonds. So these diamonds are not artificial, they're not fake, they are real. The difference is that instead of taking millions of years in the earth from heat and pressure, that's how a natural diamond's created. So lab-grown diamonds are just grown in a lab. So the same sparkle, same shine, same in every aspect scientifically, just that one's obviously grown in a lab and one's grown in the earth. So this whole concept is they have purposely developed this clasp. They actually had to develop in Italy, and it enables, it just looks like a simple clasp, but it's not. It enables you to mix and match bracelets. So they've got like 6 different designs. You can pick 2, you can pick 3, whatever you want, and then it all joins up using this clasp. The one that I'm wearing and I love is Force and Glow. And I just love how it looks with my Cartier bracelet and also the diamond bangle my mother-in-law gave me. I just think they're so dainty, they're so elegant. You can wear it with your stack like this, or I've been wanting sort of finer, more daintier bracelets because when I'm wearing my watch, you guys know I also bought my Hermes watch earlier this year from Hawaii. I don't want to wear it with a more substantial bracelet because it takes away from the beauty of it. I've worn my Hermes watch with 2 bracelets as well, this time with the light and the Force bracelets. So the really exciting thing is because they are launching and it's so limited, just for you guys, you have to click my link below to access this. You guys can get 20% off if you buy 2 or more. So they have it in sets. You can buy this set, which I'm wearing here, or the set that I was wearing with my Hermes watch. I think they have 4 different sets. Or you can buy them all individually and just mix and match. The minute you add 2 bracelets, it will automatically take off 20%. After the 9th of October, you're not going to see it on their website. They're not even sure if they're going to repeat this, but I am in love with this concept. And, you know, I even did a little shake test. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little shake test to see if both sides flip together or they don't. So let's just shake the wrist. And let's try it out. No, I'm really impressed. Look, they've stayed together and you saw how much I shook my hand. I don't know what it is about this simple clasp, but it's super secure and it enables both bracelets. Bracelets do move and everything, but they flip together. They just look so, so good. So if you've been looking for the perfect dainty bracelets for your stack that you can mix and match to your heart's content, definitely check out IDYL's bracelets. So good value. And then you can also buy them in sets. But just for the Mim Fam, you get 20% off if you click my link below. And also for the Mim Fam, when you add your bracelets or anything you want to order, you get this free cotton pouch and it all comes in this gorgeous packaging which looks like books. So I'll leave all details down below, and thank you so much to IDYL for partnering with me for this video and giving the Mim Fam this exclusive. Okay, let's get to this. So we always play this game and you guys, I think 8 out of 10 times always guess because I'm so obvious because I tend to wear the color which my bag is in. So yeah, as I said, I've purposely worn floral today. So please pause the video and comment below what color and size do you think my new baby is? Okay, just do that now. Okay, has everyone commented? If you guessed right, please comment again, let me know. Hopefully I'm not as obvious this time. All right, let me show you what this is. Oh my goodness. This is gonna come at no surprise because this has been, hint, on my wish list. And I did get this from my local Melbourne boutique, which has been a while since I got my last offer. So apart from what everyone thinks, no, I don't get 2 quota bags from my Melbourne boutique every year. I think this one took, the last one was like 1.5 years ago. So in this dust bag, I am so excited to reveal. Dun, dun, dun. Ah! This is my new baby Birkin in the color Blue Broom, size 25, Cellier, my first 25 Cellier Birkin. So Cellier means you can see the stitching on the outside. Birkins are usually retorn, but this is the Cellier, so definitely stiffer with palladium hardware. Now let me take this felt off. Okay, there she is in all her glory. How perfect is this shade of baby blue? And I just love it with the palladium hardware. It's like a cooler tone blue, so I think it just, yeah, goes with palladium so well. Though of course it looks gorgeous with gold too. If you remember on my wish list video for the last couple of years, well, especially this year's wish list video, I had put this exact Birkin on there. And the story of this Birkin is quite funny because, you know, I always joke with my essay, oh, it's been over a year. Hopefully I get one of my wish list items soon. And this was on my wish list. And so when I was in picking up the Rodeo, then I found the Kelly charm. Actually, what happened was I was just shopping away and then she comes out and just surprises me with it. And it was all wrapped up. So we weren't in a private room, though we did go to a private room after. So I was like a bit taken back and I was like, Mel, I've got a surprise for you. And I'm like, oh my goodness. So then we went to the room, opened it up. And inside was this beautiful baby. Did you guys guess right? Did you guess the color, the size? I'll have to peel all these stickers off. But I just love this bag. It's just perfection. I think this is hubby's new favorite. When he saw it, he's like, that is a cutie. So of course I needed to buy my cutie some new clothes. And that's why there are 2 Twilly boxes. And this is the most perfect match. These are the Twillies I got. They're called the, excuse my pronunciation, I think it's the Clickety Twilly. And look at this color. I mean, is that not perfect? Oh, you guys asked me how I do a Twilly, if I could quickly show you again. So I will do that at the end of the video. Plus I want to put these on. But before that, the price of Twillies in Australian dollars is $305 each. And yes, I will reveal the exact price of this. So the Cellier Birkins are more expensive than the Retorn Birkins. I believe by at least $1,000. So this one ended up being 16,530 Australian dollars. So yes, very expensive, but worth every penny because I just love Hermes bags so much. And then lucky last, I'm telling you, this whole haul, the timing, everything could not have been more perfect because this just arrived to the store as well. And from the box, you're like, not another one, Mel. Yes, but this time, how perfect is, ta-da! This Pegasus Rodeo. So this Pegasus Rodeo actually is in Blue Broom too. And let me just quickly put him on. I don't know what to call him yet, but I think he will go with a lot because he's in quite a nice neutral combo. And there you go. What do you think? I think he's so cute. So the main body is in Blue Broom. The hair is in Chai. And the wings are, I don't know, I think I'm going to butcher it, but I think it's Kuiv. But you know what I mean? It's like this neutral sort of brownie shade with a copper undertone. Yeah, I just love how that looks. So the price of a Pegasus Rodeo is 900 Australian dollars. But for all you Hermes lovers out there, you know these Rodeos are just so hard to get. So very, very lucky that this came in and it just is all matchy. And let me show you quickly how to tie these Twillies now. Okay, so just quickly, this is how I tie my Twillies. You can use this method for any top handle totes like this. So what I like to do is just right in the middle, fold it, and then start from the middle. And then just start wrapping. So when you wrap, just keep it tight. So like this. So I've got one, I'm holding this and keeping it tight. And just pull tight as you go. And then when you get to the end, all you need to do is tuck this little bit in. Depending on how long you want the twilly to stick out, I usually just have it like this. There you go. And then the other side, you just wrap as well. Just keep it tight. So wrap and pull tight. To the end and pull through. And there you have it. That's how I tie my twilly, and how perfect is that combo. So it's up to you whether you want just the single one, but because it's got double handles, I always like to buy a matching one. So I'll just put that there, but I love this combo. So that is it for this video, guys. Part 1 of my birthday haul. What can I say? What a start. And I want to wish all my fellow Virgos out there and all my fellow September babies, I hope you had a wonderful birthday. I definitely did. Part 2 is coming up soon. Don't forget to make use of my 20% off offer. So click the link below and you will love these modular bracelets from IDYL. There's so many to choose from, so definitely do check them out. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.